Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about MikroTik and pfSense, and I will help you to decide which network management solution is better. So let's start with MikroTik. It is a Latvian company known for its router OS software and low-cost hardware. MikroTik is widely used by ISPs and advanced servers users who want granular control over networking, while pfSense is an open source fileware or router software based on FreeBSD. It is popular on home labs and enterprise environments for its strong security features and active community. So let's compare both of them. Number one, ease of use. pfSense has a more beginner-friendly GUI, logical menus, and modern dashboard, while MikroTik's Windows, and WebFig are powerful but come with a steeper learning curve. Number two, features. Both of them support VLANs, VPNs, firewalls, NAT, and traffic shaping, while pfSense has stronger built-in security features, and MikroTik excels at routing and wireless setups. Number three, community and support. pfSense has a huge open source community and paid support options via Netgate, while MikroTik is well documented, but its community is more technical. Number 4, customization. pfSense allows full customization via packages like Snort, WireGuard, and more. And MikroTik requires scripting and command line skills for advanced setups. So in summary, you can choose pfSense if you want strong security, an easier setup, and flexibility via open source tools. And you can go with MikroTik if you need advanced routing, wireless control, or cost-effective ISP level performance. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.